Navigating Fatherhood, Tips for First-Time Dads. Hello everyone, and welcome to the Well Baby channel. Today, we have an exciting and valuable topic to discuss, tips for all you first-time dads out there who are embarking on the incredible journey of fatherhood. Make sure to watch until the last tip, because I'm sure it will be very valuable to all of you first-time fathers out there. Make sure to subscribe to the channel so we can help you as much as possible with your new bundle of joy. Now let's get straight into the video. Whether you're feeling a mix of excitement and nervousness or you're already knee-deep in diapers and baby bottles, these tips will surely come in handy. So, let's dive right in. For starters, knowing how to hold your newborn is vital. Always keep your baby's head and neck secure. The baby's head and neck are very delicate at this time. Let's begin with holding your baby. Here we will be discussing three sorts of holds. Classic three-point contact. Starting with the football hold. Hold the newborn tightly, like a football, but more precious. They don't want to be exposed. In that sense, the football grip is all about security. If your infant is fussy late at night while you are rocking them, consider the second hold. Snake that second arm underneath the baby's body and rock your child until the fussing stops. This grip saves your lower back from lengthy holding if you close your eyes and pretend to sleep. The snuggling hold is third. Gently flip your baby over your shoulder. Maintain your hand in the back of the neck until they learn neck control, which should take 4 or 5 months. Keep the baby snug and enjoy your first few months as a father. One additional alternate hold is to lay the baby's chin down your wrist, flip them over on their bellies, drape their legs off your arm, and swing or rock the infant back and forth. This usually relaxes the infant immediately. This hold is fantastic too. Dads learn the art of diapering and swaddling. Diaper duty is inevitable, so learn to change diapers efficiently. Every dad should know how to change a diaper. Learning this is great for all dads. Before changing your diaper, get your wipes, infant soap and washcloth, and creams. On the way to the changing table. Some people can smell or feel if it's a number 1 or 2. Keeping diapers in a drawer makes them easier to manage. Just place the diaper next to the head so it's ready for you. Hike the baby's legs up to get them out of the way, especially for a number 2, and pull off the diaper and give the baby's backside a strong wipe downward with the clean part of the diaper. Then, roll the diaper and lay it away from the changing area. Lift the infant and wipe the back and bottom until it is all clean and fresh. You may need to wipe multiple times to thoroughly clean the baby's bottom, but always from front to back. You should never wipe a baby back to front. Always be sure to keep feces away from the front of the child's private area to avoid any possible infection. Get your fresh diaper, open the tabs, make sure it's ready, lift the baby's backside once again, and pull the diaper underneath. Be conscious of diaper rash. Apply your always available diaper cream if necessary. If you see any redness or signs of a rash, apply diaper cream. Be careful with the baby's umbilical stump. The umbilical stump in the front takes 1 to 2 weeks to fall out. Fold the top of the new diaper down at this time. Some newborn diapers have a cutout. The frills on the diaper should always be out. If the frills are tucked underneath, a bowel movement could spill out the side since you're disrupting the protective seal. Understanding baby's cries. We'll discuss crying, which all parents experience. You must handle 4 basic cries. First, your baby is lonely or bored, therefore, it's quiet fussing and unpleasant sobbing. Loneliness is only a plea for attention to bring mom or dad. Just pick up your baby and rock him or her. Soon, that cry will disappear. They fuss when you play with them while they're bored. They want to do something different, therefore, vary your activities. After a few weeks, you can easily identify the second cry as hunger. When they root, smack the mouth, put their finger in their mouth, or put toys in their mouth. If they're gripping you and looking for a suckle, they're hungry. Get him some food, and his crying will stop. The third sort of sobbing, pain crying, is loud and strong. It begins immediately. Someone will detect something wrong. Pain cries generally accompany gas pain. So check for a diaper rash that's also a pain, possibly gas pain. Try cycling their legs to work out gas and help. If they're performing the agony cry loudly, check them over. You won't notice anything. Bring the baby up, hug him, and rock him. Tiredness is the last lament. The exhausted wail starts mildly and rises louder as they tire. If it's nap time and they generally want to nap. When you encounter the tired wail, just snuggle with them, and they'll be fine. Once they fall asleep. Of course, the crying will stop. Sometimes parents struggle with their babies crying, so you may need to leave them out and watch them via the monitor. When the infant won't stop crying and is screaming bloody murder, and you can't reason with a month-old. Don't try to reason with your newborn at any age, they won't understand, so take a break if you're getting frustrated. Put your baby in safety. Use a crib, playpen, or leave the room to calm down and collect your thoughts. Bonding with your baby. It's crucial for your child to bond with you. First, skin-to-skin/tummy time is crucial. Anything you touch your baby is skin-to-skin. Easy to accomplish. In the first few weeks, rock your baby on your chest in the rocking rocker and call it tummy time whenever they're on their belly. They'll try to lift their head to peer around the semicircle. This also builds neck control. Tummy time helps children learn motor control actions by mobilizing them. Other ways to bond with kids. Read, talk, and sing. Daughter likes to read. Reading matters. Read, chat, and sing to your youngster. They love it. Just singing, talking, and reading with them will develop that future relationship. Bonding with your infant is extremely crucial. Be there for your baby and enjoy your time with them. Some additional housekeeping tips for you first-time dads: be sure to embrace open communication. Make sure you communicate openly with your partner. Parenthood is a team effort, and effective communication is key. Discuss your expectations, fears, and joys with each other. This will create a strong foundation for your journey as parents. Be patient and flexible. Remember, babies don't come with instruction manuals. Be patient as you navigate the challenges of sleepless nights and inconsolable cries. Flexibility is your ally. Your routine might change frequently, and that's okay. Adaptability will help you stay calm and focused. And don't underestimate the power of swaddling. It can be a real game changer for soothing your baby to sleep. Be sure to tune into our other informative sessions listed right here on our channel. Like women in active labor, healthy eating and exercise during pregnancy, and understanding IVF pregnancy. You won't want to miss them. Dad, always be sure to support your partner. Supporting your partner emotionally and physically is crucial. Offer to take over baby duties to give her some rest. A well-rested mom is a happier mom, which benefits both baby and dad. Be sure to get involved in feeding. Whether your partner is breastfeeding or you're using formula, find ways to be involved in feeding times. This bonding experience creates lasting connections between you and your baby. Make sure you capture the moments. Time flies, and babies grow quickly. Capture those precious moments through photos and videos. These memories will be cherished for a lifetime. Lean on your support network. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Grandparents, friends, and online parenting communities can provide valuable advice and emotional support. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. Dad, you must be sure to take care of yourself. Self-care isn't selfish, it's essential. Make time for your hobbies, exercise, and relaxation. A well-balanced dad is better equipped to handle the demands of fatherhood. Embrace learning. Parenthood is a continuous learning experience. Read books, attend parenting workshops, and stay up to date with reliable sources. Being informed will boost your confidence as a dad. Create special bonding moments with your baby. Finally, create bonding moments with your baby. Whether it's reading bedtime stories, playing peekaboo, or simply talking to them, these interactions foster a strong parent-child relationship. And there you have it, valuable tips for all you first-time dads out there. Remember, being a dad is a journey filled with ups and downs, but the love and memories you create along the way are truly priceless. So embrace every moment, learn from the challenges, and enjoy the incredible adventure of fatherhood. Until next time, happy parenting! Thank you all for tuning in today. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to like and subscribe. And as always, feel free to leave your comments or questions below. Take care, and see you soon!